So I found a way to, I just thought of the manual because I saw this comment about this washer that is exactly like this one on a video of it. I saw a comment that somebody posted that if you, because this one, even I've noticed if I do a deep fill on this, like for example, if I do a deep fill, well, it won't let me do it on normal, but if I do it on, whatever, if I do a deep fill, I've noticed you'd think it would fill it all the way to here. I don't know if it just goes up to here. Even in a bulky item cycle, I've only seen it go up to here. I've never seen it go any higher than up to here. But anyways, I heard that if, because it seems to go a little bit full, but not all the way to the top like most washers. But I heard that if you hold it down, the deep fill button, then it does another 8 gallons or something, or it does up to 8 gallons or something, or more water. And if you hold it again for 3 seconds, and some cycles won't let you do this. I hear if you do it again, then it like goes up to 26, but I don't know for sure how it works, but only some washers do this, or no, only some modes do this, not every cycle. But I thought I'd just talk about that and show you a little bit about this washer. I don't know if I've done it before, I've just done washer videos, but I will be doing a video about the manual too. I don't have it, I don't know if we have it as like a book, like in my hand type of thing, but I found it online. And this QR code right here, I could just get a little, whatever it is, like a little video of that, or like take my camera up to that and it'll show the website about the model, owner's manual or whatever. And this is the model number right here if you're wondering. GTW680BSJ6WS. And that's the serial number. I don't know what that is, but yeah. And this is our washer, the inside. I've done quite a few videos of it operating. I've done the colors cycle, the normal cycle. I've done the casuals. I haven't done I don't think I've done a video of the delicates yet, so that's what I want to do next. But I've seen it before. I've done activewear cycle. I don't know if I've done cold wash yet, but I do usually do cool or cold when I'm doing a video because I don't want it to fog up too much. I've done a speed wash. I've done the basket clean. I've done the jean cycle and the bulky item cycle and the towels and sheet cycle. But I think that's all I've done so far. I will be happy to do more. I'm still trying to understand what the heck the point of this is. I don't know too much about it. I'm curious. What's the point of a drain and spin cycle? I don't know. I can't think of any reasons I need to do that. But if I figure that out, I'll try to do a video of the drain and spin cycle sometimes. But it just seems so pointless because, look, 10 minutes, and I don't know if it just, like, do you have to have water in there or something in order to do that? That's what I'm trying to understand because it says drain and spin, so that's what I wonder. Maybe it means just wet clothes you put in the washer and then it just spins and gets the water out. I don't know. I'll figure that out sometime. But anyways, yeah, and if you're wondering what the different cycles do, this is the normal cycle, so it usually starts at 38 minutes. And usually I do like cool, and that doesn't affect that. If I do, and sorry the lights are flashing like that. But if I start with normal, it does 38 for the wash. If I do heavy, it does 50. Extra heavy is 54, and then light is 34. The normal cycle does not have a soak option on there. I'm pretty sure you could do a soak option with one of these if you would like, but I usually don't do that. And then also the spin, the normal, and then heavy adds more time to it, and then max adds even more time to it. No spin adds less time to it. So if I were to do extra heavy and max spin, then it'd take 64 minutes. And then if I were to do the deep rinse for adding fabric softener, all that would take 73 minutes. And, but yeah. And so, with the same settings for casual, it would do 57 minutes with all of that. For delicates, extra heavy and max spin and all that would be 58 minutes. But without all of that, it would be 48 minutes. And for all that without casual, without all that with casual cycle would be 35 minutes. active wear takes 39 minutes usually. I did that cycle last night, and it's the same time LeBron James got his all-time record. How funny. Good for him. And then here's the cold wash cycle, and the speed wash cycle, drain and spin, basket clean, sanitize cycle, and that one seems to take the longest. And this one, see how it's making those ant sounds? It won't let me do cold water, but yeah, it won't let me do any other options for this cycle. It has to be heavy. And if I add an extra rinse, it'll do 86. And a deep rinse too with that would be 91. Just so interesting to see this. Oh, let's see what stains would do. It won't let me do stains on this one. Oh well. Okay, jeans, 42 minutes. Heavy duty, 58 minutes. Bulky items, 56 minutes. Towels and sheets, 42 minutes. And whites, 43 minutes. And there is the stains option. I tried to understand it. I never really used it, but I was looking at the manual, and if there was like, you know, urine or lots of sweat or just stuff like bodily fluids, not trying to get nasty or anything, then even blood, like if you have that on your clothes or whatever, then you can use this as a stain thing. But you'd have to put like OxyClean on the stain, I think, in order for it to actually clean it off, from what I've heard. So yeah, it's kind of pointless to do the stains option and not have OxyClean on it, because that's what cleans it. It's just the, yeah, I think usually it adds 20 minutes. The stains adds like 20 minutes. Yeah, each one does. It just, the water temperature is what's different. And I'll give you another view of inside the washer. This thing, I don't know if that's where the OxyClean goes or if you put it on the clothes, but there's that, and then the inside, so I'll let you get a good view of that. And then this is where you add like the soap and stuff. So this is like the fabric softener and the detergent. And I think some like other ones you can put in the washer. But I've noticed when it's in here, it goes throughout. When it fills up, it comes out, and it seems to work better because it just the way the soap is getting mixed with the water, and the way it moves around in there, it seems to work better. And I will be merging this video into another video where I talk about the manual. I will be doing a screen recording of that. And here's a lock thing too, and also this says 10-year warranty or limited warranty or something. Hopefully it lasts more than 10 years. I don't know how that works, but we'll see. I love this washer. But yeah, I'll merge this video into, you know, whatever it's called, the other video where I do the manuals. So okay, and there's one more view of our washer. You can also do like the volume and stuff, like make it loud, but I usually have it medium. And I'll do another video about the dryer sometime, but I might just do that another time. And I'm also thinking about doing a video, if I have to, like a deep fill button with like a lot of water in there, because I heard if you hold it then it makes more water go in. So we'll see how that works. Alright, I'll now do a video of the manual.